Hi, my name is Dana, and I'm a working mom of two busy boys aged 2 and 4. I was looking for a product to keep my 4-year-old engaged during his younger brother's nap time, and Flintoclass was a no-brainer for me. Working from home and raising children during this unprecedented time does not leave a lot of time to prep and print materials to keep them engaged throughout the day. My favorite thing about Flintoclass is that the activities are pre-packaged by the day and their portal is very easy to navigate. I simply log in, grab the daily activity, and press play on the video. As a parent that limits screen time, I wanted to make sure that when my child sits down in front of the TV or the tablet, they're being engaged and they're getting something educational out of it. It also allows me to complete some other tasks that I need to get done throughout the day by staying nearby with my child in case they need assistance, but also knowing that they're fully enthralled in these activities. It encourages him to be self-sufficient and have autonomy in his daily tasks. The teachers are super encouraging, and it always makes him feel very proud of his accomplishments after. If you're worried about your child's development during this difficult time, definitely look into Flintoclass, because I know personally it eased my stress with my child's development and education when we're all told to stay home.